Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you. I am introducing you to my new obsession. You don't even understand how amazing this product is that I'm about to talk about. Dun da da da! Oh, I guess you can't really see that. Dun da da da! These guys are the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadows, and they are flippin' amazing. I've been lusting after the Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadows since they came out, and I just couldn't bring myself to spend $31 on a glitter liquid eyeshadow that I didn't even know if I would wear on a regular basis, and also trying to pick just one color out of those. Like, I would have wanted like 3 or 4 of them just to like have a variety, and that would have cost a whole lot of money. So when I saw these little Essence Metal Shock eyeshadows at Superstore the other day, I was like, let me try this. I have got to see if these are something similar to the Stila Cosmetics. Now, I haven't actually tried out the Stila Cosmetics ones, but I've seen them in stores and I've seen them on people, and let me tell you, this is a dupe. These are honestly every bit as metallic and shimmery and glittery and beautiful as the Stila ones are. Best part? $5. I literally bought all 7 colors for basically the price of one of the Stila Magnificent Metals. Like, that's nuts. So obviously I can afford to buy all 7 of them. Now, they don't have a super big color range like Stila does, but I'm hoping and praying that they come out with more of these because I'm obsessed. Like, you don't even understand. I started off by buying this one right here, which is Total Eclipse, and it's the more like purpley shade, but it's got like some blue shift in there, and it's so beautiful. I put it on my eyes and literally went out and bought 3 more that day. And then this morning I figured if I'm going to film a video, I might as well have all 7 colors because I want to swatch them all for you, and I want to put them on my face. So that's what I did, and I now own all 7 colors. And okay, I'm just blabbering on and on about how amazing these are. I'm going to swatch them for you, and then I'm going to show you how I apply them to my eyes, and then I'm sure you'll see plenty of more tutorials with these guys because obsessed. So number 1 is Solar Explosion. This is a beautiful, beautiful gold. The thing I love about this is that it's not a super yellow gold. It's more of a toned down gold, and it's almost like a champagne-y color. And I'm so pale you can't see it. Oh, there we go. I wore this one yesterday for the first time, and literally every time I put a new color on my lids, I am blown away at how amazing these things are. Like, just blows my mind. They're so good. And for $5, I just can't get over it. Number 2, this is the one I'm wearing on my eyes today. This is called Stars and Stories. They seriously have the cutest names for all these too. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Like, this one's a beautiful, light, rosy. Oh, it's so pretty. It's on my eyes right now, and I am just blown away. Now, another one of the things that I love about these is that they dry down super fast. They don't flake. They don't crinkle. They don't get crusty. They are so comfortable on my lids. Like, I can't even tell that I'm wearing liquid glitter. Like, usually if you have a liquid glitter like this, you can tell. You can feel it all day long, and it's like a crusty chunk on your eye. These feel like nothing. How does a $5 product feel this amazing on my eyes? Like, it's insane. So this next one is Galaxy Rocks. This is the first one that I bought, and this is the one that convinced me I needed all of them. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. And these are so pigmented. Like, you could do a cut crease with these without having to carve out with concealer underneath. Like, they're so pigmented and rich and beautiful, and I can't get over it. Okay, so number 4 is Supernova. This is the greenish shade that they have. I honestly wish it was a little more green. It's almost too muted for me, but it's also really pretty. I just love the amount of shimmer and glitter in them, and they just look stunning on the eyes. Like, when the light hits it, it's just like, it's so beautiful. Okay, this is Moon Dust. I haven't even swatched this one yet. I'm really excited. This is the lighter silver. They have a light silver and a dark silver. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I lied. This one isn't the first one that I tried. This one's the dark silver. First one I tried was Total Eclipse, which is more the purple one. But they look kind of similar. So this one, did I say what this one is? Moon Dust. Running out of room. Ooh, this is like liquid silver metal goodness. That's like putting straight tinfoil on your eye. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try that one on my eyes. So the ones that I've tried on my eyes so far, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I've tried them all on my eyes except for this light silver and then this one that I'm swatching next. This is Second to Mars. So this one is more of like a peachy pink. Okay, I thought this one was going to be a little more glittery than it is, but it's more, I don't know. It's not quite as glittery as the other ones. And it's pretty much the color of my skin, so it's hard for you to see it. This one right here. That's the first one that I haven't really been wowed by. But out of 7 colors, only one that I'm not wowed by. That's pretty good. So this one is Total Eclipse. This is the first one that I bought, and it was just like, so this one has like a purpley base, but then it has like blue reflex in it. This one is so stunning in person. I put it on my eyes the first day. If you're following me on Instagram, you've already seen like probably 3 or 4 of these colors, especially if you follow my stories, because I've been wearing them nonstop. But this one, I just went on and on about it the first day that I wore it. There we go. I literally can't wait to put this on my lid. That's going to be so pretty. These wear on your face all day without budging. The only way that you can, like, the only way that they'll flake off or anything is if you actually touch them and like kind of wipe at them. Then you'll get some transfer on your finger or whatever. But honestly, these sit still on your lid. They look beautiful all day long, and I just can't stop giving them all the high praises because they're just so amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly show you how I applied these to my face, and then I'll finish up the video. I'm starting with my eyes already prepped, and then I'm going to go in with my Tarte lip palette. I'm going to use some of these shades to darken up the outer corner, get my crease, stuff like that. So I'm going to start with Natural Beauty, this one right here. I'm going to go with more of the purple tones in the palette because I think they'll complement the pink that I'm going to be using. So just on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to take that into the crease. So with these eyeshadows, you can definitely get away with more of like a natural looking makeup, but you can also like really vamp them up and go for like a dark smoky eye. But today we're going to keep it pretty natural because this light pink is really light and pretty, and so I don't want to go like crazy smoky and then have this light baby pink on my eye. So I'm going to keep it pretty light. So I'm taking this all the way to the inner corner. I want to have nice contrast between what's on my lid and what's in my crease. So that's going to go all the way across. And don't worry about getting it on your lid because these are so pigmented that it'll cover it right up anyways. So then next I'm going to dip into Best Friend, which is a little more darker purple. And this I'm going to keep mostly in the outer corner. And again, not worrying about it if that goes on the lid. Actually, I want it to go on the lid a little bit because then it'll help blend the glitter, because I'm not going to put the glitter all the way to the outer corner. I'm going to have something to blend it with. Quickly going back in with that bigger blending brush and just kind of blending the edges out a little bit. But that's really all I'm going to do for the shadow. So now I'm going to take this color, which is Stars and Stories. These names are so freaking cute. I love them. I want to have a little shader brush like this on the ready to blend these out because they do dry really fast. And I actually wipe off the wand a little bit because there's so much on there that I don't want to get like a big glob on my eyelid. I'm going to quickly place that down where I want it, kind of making the shape that I want it in because we're not going to be able to blend it too far from where we originally laid it down. So kind of going up to the crease and then kind of stopping in that outer edge of my eyelid and then taking the brush right away and just kind of softening the edges. But look how pretty that is. Look how glittery it is. Like, I'm obsessed with this. And go in and add a little bit more kind of on the center part. Build it up a little bit. These are great because they build up so beautifully. They don't end up getting clumpy or gross or weird. I seriously can't get over how amazing these are. Okay, I'm gonna go back into Best Friend, which is that color we have on the outer corner. I'm just gonna kind of stipple it into where the glitter is, and that'll just help blend it a little bit more. You guys remember when I was super obsessed with the Revlon Photo Ready eye art? These guys? Yeah, the obsession is like 5 times as much with these. They're so good. You've seen everything that you need to see about these beautiful eyeshadows. If you haven't been able to tell already, I'm obsessed. I definitely think this is a worthwhile purchase for sure. In fact, I think you should own at least 2 or 3 of these. And if you don't, what are you doing with your life? Like, that's how much I love them. I don't even know what else to say. They're just beautiful. That's all I have to say. Go buy them right now because they're beautiful. Okay, that's everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little obsession party, whatever you want to call it. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!